Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're all doing good. So, in this particular video, we are going to discuss about how to be a part-time trader and still make money in the markets. So, whether you're trading in currencies or whether you're trading in stocks or whether you're trading in commodities, whatever we are going to discuss in this particular video will be pretty much applicable across different market segments. So we are going to talk about a simple and straightforward guide that you need to keep in mind when you want to be a part-time trader in the markets. If you want to be a successful part-time trader, these are some of the suggestions you need to keep in mind and you need to follow along in your trading journey. So being said that, let us get right into the topic, and before we do that, as usual, I recommend you to hit on the subscribe button and tap on the notification icon so that you can receive more insightful contents and more insightful trading lessons just like these. And in case if you don't know who am I and if you want to know more about my trading style and my approach, I suggest you to visit my website, that is www.tradingcoach.co.in. So let us get into the topic. Alright, so here is guide number 1. If you want to be a successful part-time trader, it all boils down to this important concept. So you need to choose a proper trading style. Alright, so first of all, the most important thing is, if you are a part-time trader, you obviously don't have much time to spend in the markets. So you cannot sit in front of the screen whole day, and you cannot keep observing the market screens 24/7 because your time is already limited. And that's the reason why it's super important to choose a proper trading style. So my suggestion is, if you want to be a part-time trader and if you want to be a successful part-time trader, I recommend you to do either swing trading or positional trading. So if you're a swing trader, you'll be holding the positions from anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. On the other hand, if you're a positional trader, you'll be holding the positions anywhere from 2 to 11 months. So since you're a part-time trader, you cannot monitor the markets for a very long time. And that's the reason why going for something like swing trading or positional trading is much better and much helpful. Another important reason why you need to choose swing trading or positional trading is that you can focus on the major movements just like these, and you can completely ignore the minor movements. Alright, so since you are a part-time trader, you should focus on taking very less trades and you should try to capture more profits within a limited period of time. And that's the reason why going for swing trading or positional trading is much more helpful and much more better. Here is an important guide number 2, that is, you should look at higher time frames and you should completely ignore the lower time frames. Alright, so this is the most important thing if you want to be a successful part-time trader. So most of the returns and most of the capital deployment, most of the trades which we are going to do, we should take those trades on higher time frame. Since we are trading on higher time frame, our monitoring period, the period which we spend on analyzing the market, the time which we will spend on looking at the price action will be very, very less. And that's the reason why we should use higher time frame and we should completely ignore the lower time frames. And not only that, for example, if you look at the price action of higher time frame, you can notice that higher time frame price action, by nature, it's much more clear. You'll get more clarity on higher time frame price action compared to lower time frame price action. Say for example, if you look at the price action over here, right now I'm looking at 1 week chart of Marico Limited, and you can clearly identify the market movements, right? As you can notice the price action over here, I can see the beginning stage of the trend, and I can also clearly notice the ending stage of the trend, and I can also understand the current market structure, which is like, the prices have changed from the trend. We can notice a very good trend reversal right now. So this kind of clarity we will not get on lower time frame. So as an example, we can also take a look at the price action of the same stock on 15 minutes chart. Alright, so right now I'm looking at the lower time frame of Marico Limited, and as you can see the price action over here, there is no clarity on the prices, right? the market behavior is very congested. We cannot understand what is the current structure and what's going on the price, and it takes a lot of experience for us to completely understand the price action over here. So if you are a part-time trader, which technically means you don't have a lot of experience in the markets and you also don't have much time to spend on the markets, for this particular reason itself, you should stick with higher time frame and you should completely ignore the lower time frame. So as we can notice, there is no clarity on lower time frame price action, and it takes a lot of experience to trade the lower time frame price action. Because of these two reasons, we can clearly understand that lower time frame price action is not a good option for part-time traders. And here is guide number 3, the final and the most important guide. So if you want to be a successful part-time trader, apart from choosing the right time frame, apart from choosing the right trading style, you should also focus on choosing a proper trading strategy. Alright, so most of the traders who often interact with me, they often end up choosing the wrong time frames for all the wrong reasons. So this is one of the major mistakes which is made by a lot of traders. So some of the traders who are actually part-time traders, they often use trading strategies which are suitable on 15 minutes, 5 minutes and day trading style. So if you are a part-time trader, you should avoid these type of mistakes. You should choose a proper trading strategy as per your circumstances and as per your limitations and as per your personal comfort. So some of the suggestions from my end is very simple. You can focus on something like trend trading, or you can look at something like support and resistance based trading style. The only drawback is you need to have a lot of patience, but since you are a part-time trader, you can really have that patience and you can really find very good trading setups if you use trading strategies like trend trading or support resistance based approach, etc. Alright, so this is the most important and the crucial step, and if you end up choosing a wrong trading strategy, your entire performance can suffer. Here is a good example of a support resistance based approach. So I'm looking at Prestige Estates Projects Limited 1-day time frame, which is one of the stocks listed in NSE, National Stock Exchange. And in this particular stock, every time whenever the price is tested the parallel support, if we have bought the stock when the price is tested the parallel support, and when we sold the stock when the price is tested the parallel resistance, we would have made some decent profits, somewhere close to 4 out of 5 times. So following a strategy just as simple as this would have yielded you somewhere around 65% returns within a period of 4 to 5 months, right? Which is not a bad return if you really compare the returns across different trading strategies. Alright, so by choosing a proper trading strategy, you can get everything right as a part-time trader. Alright, let us summarize what we have learned so far. So to be a successful part-time trader, the first and the most important point is we need to choose a proper trading style, and the second most important point is we need to trade in higher time frame and we need to completely ignore the lower time frame. And the third point is you need to choose a proper trading strategy as per your comfort zone. And last but not least, it is possible to make money in the markets as a part-time trader if you follow these protocols. So hope you like this particular video. So if you find this video insightful, kindly click on the like button. And if you have any doubts or any questions about the topic which we have discussed so far, kindly leave that question or feedback in the comment section below. I will try to go through it and I will try to answer them. And finally, thanks a lot for watching and happy trading.